Did you know that centuries before cinema, ancient Persians mastered the art of shadow play? This mesmerizing performance used intricate leather puppets, illuminated by oil lamps, to cast moving silhouettes onto screens. Originating in Persia around the 10th century, shadow puppetry became a captivating way to share folktales, myths, and even political satire. Traveling troupes would mesmerize crowds at bazaars and royal courts alike. Though its secrets faded with time, Persian shadow play left a lasting mark on storytelling traditions across Asia and beyond.